Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Ford F-150 hood. First, you'll need to find the hood release lever inside the cabin. It's usually located on the driver's side, down by your left foot, beneath the dashboard. Give that lever a good, firm pull towards you. You should hear a distinct pop sound from the front of your truck, indicating the primary latch has released. This is the first crucial step to gaining access under the hood. Now that the primary latch is released, head to the front of your F-150. You'll notice a slight gap has appeared between the hood and the grille. Carefully reach your hand into this opening. You're looking for a small lever or tab, which is the secondary safety latch. This mechanism prevents the hood from flying open unexpectedly while driving, so it's an important safety feature to understand.
Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips. And on another note, just like you want your F-150 to be reliable, you want your socks to be too. Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough, they even come with a lifetime warranty. Check the description below for the link to these amazing socks and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Once your hand is in the gap, feel around for that secondary safety latch. It might be a small lever you push to the side, or perhaps a tab you lift upwards. The exact motion can vary slightly, but the goal is to fully disengage the final locking mechanism. With the secondary latch released, you can now gently lift the hood upwards. Be ready to support its weight as it opens. With the hood now open, you'll need to secure it in place. Look for the hood prop rod, typically a thin metal rod attached to the underside of the hood or near the engine bay. Lift the hood completely and carefully insert the end of the prop rod into the designated hole or slot. Make sure it's firmly seated to prevent the hood from accidentally closing, keeping you safe while you work.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.